Yeah, I'm gonna get the elevation set. I have to. There's not enough room for all these. I just have to. The glow in the dark one and the regular. And I still need the starter set. None are on the spiral set. That's over. Ah. Here, I'm gonna put the orange one on. Uh-oh. There. That's better. He's leaning down again. Wait. Who's gonna win? Bridge battle! They're taking a while. Okay, I'm gonna put the slimes in. They do it best with 3 or 4. That's when they get hit a lot. It seems like this is the only bunny one in here. But the others are here too. Except for the purple and yellow. One of the purples, because it's a double. It's the second one. He won! Yeah, it's the second one. That's in there. This one's dead again. And I just changed it yesterday. It's so hot over there. This one's getting really dead too.